want to preface this with a warning because my room is so unorganized right now. The good thing about my room is that it's really organized in the drawers and in the closet and everything, so when I put everything back in, it takes me really like 10 minutes to do. But I've been letting my room get worse and worse and worse because I've been doing so many things the past couple of days, so I've just it's kind of gotten a little bit out of hand, as you can see right here. What I want to do is just kind of do a little time lapse of me cleaning it up because I know I really enjoy watching those. I don't ever really let my room get like this, but it's a kind of a guilty pleasure of mine to let my room get a little bit out of hand so that I have something to organize, because since I organize everything so regularly, I never have anything to organize. And even though this isn't organizing, it's more picking up and putting things back into the places that I organize them. It's still really satisfying to me. So yesterday I was literally like, I'm just gonna keep letting it get worse and worse and worse until I can like organize a huge mess. But whatever. With that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. I'm just gonna show you guys my room right now is so bad. Like, what is this, Karina? What has the world come to? What has the world come to? This is so bad. Even my bathroom is bad, and we had some like construction done, so they kind of like unscrewed my cabinet and they put everything in here. So let's get into it, guys. It's gonna be a big project.
Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. Don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. Your name I'll never know as we get down in the road below. Caught up in an overflow. My hands, your bones. Wide-eyed, you look at me. Set on fire until the dream. Spin around, you can feel the breeze. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find the place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. We gotta lose it. 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 We gotta lose it.
I'm gonna be doing some French braids on my hair because I'm gonna work out now. And I'm gonna be completely honest here. I am clearly not cut out for filming a week in my life during quarantine. It just goes to show how much I need to organize my life. On Monday, okay, so on Monday it got a little complicated because I went to church to help organize this really huge like storage unit, and it was just so much work. It was so draining that like the last thing on my mind was like showing you guys what I was doing. But oh, I wanted to show you guys this eyelash serum that grows your eyelashes. Oh my goodness gracious, I used this for like 3 months at one point last year, and my eyelashes were never longer, like have never been longer. It's just a game changer. I'm gonna insert like progress pictures of like how my eyelashes look with mascara, and wow, like honestly I just got so motivated by those pictures to start using it again. So let's get into the workout.
Downtown rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. Downtown, we let it go. Sunset high.
She said 1 minute break. We take 1 minute break. So yeah, guys, highly recommend. We're on day 1 though. Okay, guys, so be looking a little rough today. I'm not gonna lie. I will not lie. But that was actually a really good workout. And funny enough, I've been seeing a lot of things on YouTube regarding this like summer shred ab challenge that me and my sister are gonna do, and I'm just so interested into like seeing what the results are gonna be. But other than that, I'm gonna run a few errands with my sister today, and I'm gonna paint my nails. They were like really bad, so I kind of just like cleaned it up and put clear, and I'm gonna paint them now. Something I do want to do today that I've been putting off is, number 1, I have to edit a video to go up on Friday, and number 2, I have to like schedule my life. I have to start looking into grad school. I have to schedule my workouts. I have to schedule everything. I have to schedule my life, literally my life. And I know I really have to do it, because if not, I will literally sit around every single day doing nothing. So let's see if I can get all that done today. Please, Lord, let me get this done today.
In a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip it.
I got ready, guys. I tried this new little clip look and I really like it. But as you can see, I painted my nails. I actually pride myself in how good I paint my nails. Like, I literally didn't even dirty it. Skill right there. But I wanted to tell you guys about this nail oil. I've mentioned it before, but it's just a game changer. Like, when you're painting your nails and you use this nail oil, oh man, I messed up my nail. Minor mistakes. And you use it, like, for example, like around your cuticle and then like all over your nail, you will not mess up your freshly painted nails. PSA to make your lives better. It's called Blossom Scented Cuticle Oil. It doesn't really matter which one you get. There's different colors, but I just choose whatever, and you need to buy it. Okay, guys, so I'm back from running errands, but I went to Target and I wanted to show you guys the things I got. So I got this little tank top that was only $7. Really cute. I haven't really tried these things on, but I'm just assuming they're cute, like they fit right. I got this bralette because I have one kind of similar to this, but the back is razor back, and anything that's like has an open back looks like weird with it, so I got that. I got a loofah because my loofah's already like gross, and I'm pretty sure you're supposed to like change that out regularly. Okay, so Germex for my car, and then look at this cute little like romper piece. Like, I think it's so cute for like the beach or the pool, or just like with sneakers, just to like go to the mall or like chill or whatever. I got this little basic white tank top. I have this already in black and gray, so no surprise there. It's only $3, so I really like having all the colors because they're like a basic, like a necessity. And then my most exciting thing, guys, a planner. But look how fat it is. Don't judge. It's just that, like, okay, so I've been lately really into like wanting to get a planner that has like the days in it. Not the days in it, that has like the daily schedule. So if you can see here, it has like the daily schedule. So this is like one day, or this is like the weekend. That's why it looks different. But you have like from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. here, tonight, gratitude, 3 top things for that day, and then your to-do list. So I think this is great just to keep me accountable for like, oh, workout, Bible time. This is when I'm gonna do homework when I start grad school. etc, etc. And I think it's really good to have a lot more space, not be so like crammed up. And then this is how a month looks, and it has these little stickers, which I don't really know if I'm gonna use them, but cute stickers, and a folder, small folder right here. But I love it. I was gonna get one that was like this exact thing, but like giant, like a giant one, but I just figured if I have one, my sister was saying how I have all this just for one day, so that kind of makes sense. I like that. But that concludes my Target haul. Today I have to work all day.
Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be.
I just got done with my workout and I just got ready for the day, but I wanted to show you guys the little romper that I showed you guys last night from Target because I'm obsessed. Here it is. It's a little romper and it has pockets, and the back is like this. It's so cute. Look at this, guys. You can wear it with sneakers or sandals, and maybe even like a t-shirt knotted or something over. I don't know. I just feel like this is so cute, and it's from Target. I got an extra small and it fits perfect and it's so comfy. I woke up really late because last night I was at my dad's for Father's Day and we just stayed there really late, so I was super tired. I literally rolled down my blinds and I just was like, I'm not waking up early tomorrow. I woke up around 11 a.m. I just laid in bed uploading my video, and I was just kind of doing some YouTube things this morning until about 2. I ate, drank a juice that my mom made me. I vacuum cleaned the whole house. I felt like that would be too much to film just because it's literally the vacuum I have, you have to like pull it around. It has a cord and it's really annoying, so I wasn't gonna film that. But look what I did, you guys. Planned my day. I have to work out, clean my bathroom. I have my laundry going in. I have all my loads ready. I have 3 loads to do, including my sheets. I have to film a video, edit a video, have a nail appointment, and then I want to do this for every single day of this week. So pretty much my room and my bathroom are both 100% clean, and now I'm going to be doing day 5 or day 6. I think day 6 of, let me actually check. Day 6 of my workout plan. And after that, I'm gonna get ready really quick and get to my nail appointment. But so far, I'm really on track with my day. And it just feels so good to kind of have like a schedule to keep. But I'll talk more about that later.
Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment.
I finished. I'm super excited to shower, eat dinner, and get my nails done. And then just relax. You have no idea.
We break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. Don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place.
Hi guys, so I got back from my nail appointment. I did this color. It's super summery and I actually was scared to do it, but I think it came out cute. Sorry if there's a lot of noise in the background. My family's home and I have like laundry still going, but it's 10:30 and I just finished. You guys, I did it. I planned my week. I'm starting to get more motivated. I'm starting to get my life together. Quarantine hit me, but I'm hitting it back. And my workouts have been actually going really well. I've been seeing a little bit of progress and it's only been 6 days. So I'm really excited about that. Don't mind my room. I have to like put my bed sheets on because I just washed them yesterday. But look at this cardigan. I love it. My best friend Nicole gave it to me. And I'm pretty much just wearing like a sleeveless, like a strapless white Brandy Melville shirt, some jeans with like frayed bottoms, and then this cardigan with these little balloon sleeves, and I just love it. But yeah, guys, I'm heading out now, so let's see how my day goes with my planifications, and I'll let you know. These earrings, aren't these so cute? I got them recently and they're actually really cute and I love them. I think that this video is already gonna be super long. If there's anything I can learn from this is that number one, scheduling has its pros and cons, because you just feel so much more productive. You just feel like you can get so much more done in your day. But then if you kind of go off track because of things that you can't predict, those are just things that you can't predict, and you just kind of have to live with it, adjust, move things around, make sure to prioritize, and literally will just change your life. Because being organized, I literally just filmed the budgeting video that you guys have probably already seen. It's on my channel already if you want to watch it. Right now I'm just in the organizational mood. Keeping an organized schedule, keeping an organized budget, keeping an organized life just changes everything, like your mindset, your productivity, your motivation to get up and do things. Like I'm starting to work out more, I'm starting to read my Bible more, because I had kind of fallen off of my track. And wow, I'm really living for it. Like now I just feel like I need to start researching grad school, start doing more research on like YouTube, because there's a lot to learn on YouTube as well that I have to, because since I'm new I want to learn and grow in that as well, and just so many things I want to do. And you know when you have so many things to do and you just don't know where to start, that's me right now. But little by little, thank you guys so much for following me on this extremely unconventional weekish random days in my life. At first I felt really like unhappy with how it was coming out, because I just felt like I wasn't being consistent with it and I wasn't filming everything, and it was just like not my vibes, and I had put so much effort into it, and I was like, I'll just film something else. But then as I kept on going and I started finding more things to film, I just felt like I could turn it into something, and I just felt like it would be a representation of how accurate times are right now during quarantine and just in life in general. Like no one's life is perfect, no one's life is gonna go exactly to plan, and that's literally how this video turned out. But it's crazy because even though I felt like it was gonna turn out so badly, I actually feel like I'm gonna actually really enjoy how it's gonna come out now, because it's literally an accurate representation of how my life is. I'm not like making my life a perfect week where I wake up, do this, that, or the other every single day perfectly. Like that's just not realistic, and I just feel like this way it's just more real, and it's more of how my life actually is. It's not fake, and it's just, I just feel like wow, it's great, and I really enjoyed doing it, and I'm happy that I pushed through and I kept on doing it even though I felt like it was gonna come out horribly. Without further ado, let me stop rambling, because this video is probably like 5 hours long. Gonna have to do a lot of cutting on this one. Thank you again so much for watching, staying along in this long journey with me. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and tune in next week for another video.
Downtown we let it go, sunset high and our bodies low.